Using the COUNTBLANK function in Excel. The COUNTBLANK function counts all the blank values in the provided range, and then it gives you the total count in the resulting cell. You can select a range of cells to count the blanks easily. The COUNTBLANK function works on any kinds of cells. If you provide a range of numeric values and non-numeric cells to the COUNTBLANK function, then these will not be counted. This function only counts empty cells. Caution: a common issue with the COUNTBLANK function is that if a cell contains a space, it does not get counted. This may make the COUNTBLANK total not seem correct with the visible blanks, but this is because it is difficult to see a space in a cell. Therefore, COUNTBLANK function is a great way to find out which are the real blanks. The syntax of the COUNTBLANK function in Excel is pretty easy. Equal to COUNTBLANK and then provide the range of cells like COUNTBLANK A1 to A10 or COUNTBLANK A1 to B10 or C10. You just select the entire range. Wherever there are blanks, empty cells, they all will get counted. So when do you use the COUNTBLANK function in Excel? Well, it is common in the management and executives to count the number of rows with missing data. So COUNTBLANK only counts blank cells. Take note, if a cell is set to 0, it will not be counted under the COUNTBLANK. Why? Because 0 is a value and COUNTBLANK only counts blanks or empty cells. So for example, your manager may want to know the total number of employees without cost center codes, or the number of employees who have not submitted their expenses, or the total number of tickets which have not been assigned to support executives. All such measures can be easily calculated with the COUNTBLANK function, which is pre-built into Excel. This function is not known to many people and they end up counting the blank cells manually. Learning to use this function well will help you to improve your productivity and efficiency in Excel and save you a lot of manual counting. Did you like this video? Remember to click the like button and also subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon. Learn more about Excel systematically. Join our Excel Essentials from Beginning to Pro training program. Master Excel step by step through video tutorials, exercise files, challenge exercises, and you can watch it anytime, anywhere. Simply visit www.excelchamp.net/essentials and join the training program. Thanks for watching. All the best.